day on the island of Sodor. Henry was pulling Annie and Clarabelle. Choo-choo, said Henry. Oh, my whistle seems a bit broken. But he carried on. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Henry puffed through the toughest track. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Eventually, Henry just dropped the coaches off because he couldn't be bothered with them. Okay, right, let's go. Henry puffed as fast as his wheels would take him. Choo-choo. And eventually, he found the trucks to take at Brandon Docks. Okay, Cranky, where do I need to take these trucks, said Henry. Okay, Henry, you need to take these trucks all the way to Knapford Station. And then, you got to have an approval from the Fat Controller to take them up to the old Brandon Docks. Okay, said Henry, and he coupled up to the trucks. First, the trucks had to be turned around by Cranky, which would take a bit of effort due to a very heavy truck that was in them. Anyway, eventually Henry was ready and he set off. Oh no, said Henry. The stupid trucks. Then, one of the trucks is pulling it. No, cried Henry, no! Oh. It was a disaster. The troublesome truck had ploughed off the cliff with Henry and the other trucks, but the minis oddly had survived it. Harvey was called to the scene immediately. Oh no, said Harvey. They won't need you, Harvey. They'll need us, shouted James, and he set off with Jerome. He set off as fast as he could go. James was running. We shall get there eventually. Eventually he arrived. He had Jerome pulled the trucks up at first. Back up. Eventually, all was well. Thank you, James, said Henry. No problem, said James. All in a day at the Red Engines.